We are now going to make a stork, which is a wading bird, and it has a long neck to catch fish. So let's make one. Take a sheet of paper, keep the white side up, and fold the top right corner to the bottom left corner. Press the folds, fold the top left corner to the bottom right corner this time. Great. Now you have a triangle in front of you. We have to make it into a square. So how do we do it? Take this top sheet and fold the bottom right corner to the bottom left corner. Press it. And fold it to get a center line. Push in your fingers between the two flaps and open it outwardly so that it takes the form of a square. Press the sides. Flip it over. We have to do the same on this side, but let's do some folding first. So fold the left corner on the bottom to the bottom right corner of the square and fold it. Once again, lift this bottom left corner and fold it to the top side of the square. You have to make a fold at the center line of the square like this and fold it. Open the two flaps, push in your fingers and press the sides. So you have another square here. Now place it in such a way that you have the open ends at the bottom. Now fold the left corner to the center line, beginning to fold from the bottom end. Now fold the right corner of the top flap of the sheet, bring it to the center line, beginning to fold from the bottom corner. Flip it over, fold the left corner again to the center line, once again beginning to fold from the bottom tip. The right corner also gets folded to the center line, starting to fold from the bottom tip. Now this top side has to be folded downwards on the back side like this, and the fold is made at the top edges of the folded flaps. Now unfold these side flaps and you will see all the lines here which are very useful for us. These are in fact the guiding lines for us. You have to bring this bottom tip of the top flap upwards and beginning to fold from the bottom tip all along the lines that you see on the sides. Go on folding all along the lines till you reach the top tip. So now you know why you made all those folds. Once you press the folds, it looks complete. So flip it over. Let's do the same thing on this side as well. Unfold all this, making use of all these lines. Lift the bottom tip, fold it upwards, beginning to fold from the bottom tip all along the lines. Go on folding along the lines till you reach the top tip. That's it. You can see that your paper has taken the shape of a diamond now. Now the next thing you need to do is fold this left corner of the top flap to the center line, but you have to begin folding from the bottom tip. The corner comes to the center line and the left side has been folded into half. You have to begin folding from the bottom tip like this. Do the same thing to the right side. Bring the right corner also to the center line, beginning to fold from the bottom tip. The same thing has to be done to the other side. So let us flip it over and let's begin to fold from the bottom tip and bring the left corner to the center line. You're doing a great job. And then the right one also comes to the center line, beginning to fold from the bottom tip. Now you have folded in all the 4 corners. Now you ready for the next thing? Yes, let's go on. You have to fold this left and the right side, which is at the bottom. There's a slit here, so you have to fold from the point where the slit begins. Make a mountain fold like this on the left side and the right side. This is a mountain fold, and the fold starts just at the point where the slit begins. Little slanting fold. Unfold this left side and push it between the 2 flaps, making an inward fold. That's it. And the same thing to the right side. Open it and push it between the 2 folds like this. Now you have made an inward fold on both of these. What you need to do is make a beak on one side. One is going to be the tail. Just fold it like that. The tip will now become a beak. So open the 2 flaps, push it in like that, make an inward fold, and you have formed a beak. Now the beak is formed, the tail is formed. All you need to do is hold from the middle part like this, the 2 flaps, and just pull it apart to make beautiful looking wings. Very slowly, very gently, so that you don't mess up with the paper. There you form a body, and the stork is all done. You all have done such a fantastic job.
That's all for now. You've finished making a lot of fantastic things. Just go on practicing and see how your work becomes neater and better. So bye-bye for now and have fun.